Yes, hello guys, good day everybody and welcome to my YouTube channel, The Creative Nurse RN. For more information and updates about kumikitang kabuhayan or small business ideas. And we have also healthy tips and beauty tips. And we have also health and disease issue. And the last one, we have the everyday life happenings. Now today, I'm going to announce to you that my YouTube channel, I have here my copy para hindi ko siya makalimutan lahat-lahat. I would like to announce to everybody that my YouTube channel is now ready for accepting members to join on my YouTube channel family for the coming days to come. So please wait for this and always check on my YouTube channel, The Creative Nurse RN. For those who would like to join, I am going to give a badge for them next to their channel and a free shout out for their channel too. And the most exciting part of this, if you want to ask anything to portray on my next video, the health issues, and anything that you want to know as a member who joined on my team, you will be given extra advice and I am willing to listen to your question and problem. The price of the membership is very attainable. Like for example, if you want to be a bronze badge, I will give you a chance to have a shout out of your channel and a badge attached in your name, a free video request of what you want to know and regarding health issues of course, plus free advice from your nurse on the air. So for the silver badge member, if you of my team, you have also the privilege like of the bronze benefits plus free advice and all of your questions regarding health and beauty, I will respond to it 100% for sure. For the gold badge member, you have all the privilege of the bronze and the silver badge plus the request of the video regarding health if you want to request, beauty and business ideas if you want also to request, and I will portray it on my next video plus the advice regarding health. The difference of the gold is that the beauty of it is that there is free one-on-one talk in a private message. You can message me on my messenger if your problem is confidential. This is also a chance for you, a big chance for you to help, because the money accumulated or the membership, the money from the members who join on my team, on my family, the proceeds will be given to the this project. I mean is benefited to the pregnant mother and children in the remote places, because this coming July 2021 I am going to have community community medical mission. My target is the pregnant woman and also the children, the small children. So there is free doctor's consultation, and also we are going to give vitamins, medication, milk, and other things, plus the doctor's consultation. So this mission for the medical mission will be successful according to the membership that I can gather and the money or the amount that I can gather from the members who join on my team. So this is very productive project, from the Creative Nurse RN and also for the members as well. So for those who want to join, please join on the membership of my YouTube channel, and also please help me to make this project successful, and this one will we can help the people who is in need, especially in medical areas, because in the Philippines so many remote areas have no medical consultation because of the privilege is less because they are in the remote places. So all this project and the success of this project depends on you and depends on me, and I am really willing to make this project successful. So please help and please join on the on my channel, The Creative Nurse Family. So thank you very much in advance, and all these activities, project will be posted and documented on my YouTube channel, The Creative Nurse RN. So please do watch it, and please be a member, and I'm already giving my thanks in advance to those who will be a member. Thank you very, very much. God bless you. Take care and have a nice day, everybody.